Clove. The word clove is a noun that refers to a spice that comes from the flower buds of an evergreen tree called Syzygium aromaticum. It is commonly used in cooking and has a strong, pungent flavor and aroma. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of clove. 1. I added a clove of garlic to the pasta sauce to enhance the flavor. In this example, clove is used to refer to a single segment of a garlic bulb. It is a common measure for garlic in recipes. 2. The mulled wine recipe calls for a few cloves and cinnamon sticks. Here, clove is used to indicate the small, dried flower buds that are used as a spice. It is often used in combination with other spices, such as cinnamon. 3. She chewed on a clove to alleviate her toothache. In this sentence, clove is used to refer to the whole spice, which can also be used for its medicinal properties. Chewing on a clove can help numb the area and reduce pain temporarily. 4. The air was filled with the scent of clove and other spices. This example shows how clove can be used to describe the aroma or fragrance associated with the spice. The scent of clove is often used in perfumes, candles, and other products. Overall, clove is a versatile word that can refer to a specific part of a garlic bulb or the dried flower bud spice itself. It is commonly used in cooking, as well as for medicinal and aromatic purposes.